German wine labels are among the most detailed in the world. If you can learn to decode the label, you can learn quite a bit of information about the wine itself. When you look at this label, here you can see J.J. Prum, that's your producer. Obviously 2005 is your vintage. When you look at this phrase, Gracker Himmelreich, this phrase is usually indicative of the village. ER means of or from, so this is of the village of Grach. Himmelreich is the vineyard, so the vineyard of Himmelreich is in the village of Grach. Auslese is your level of sugar at harvest, measured in must weight. So there's a Predikat wine, Auslese level, from the Himmelreich vineyard in the Grach village. If you turn the label to the side, sometimes this information is on the back, but here you can see a couple different bits of information. First, you have your varietal, which is Riesling. You see Moselle Saar Rouvert, which is the Moselle Saar River region. You see Qualitätswein mit Predikat, that's a Predikat level wine. You can see your alcohol content, and a general rule is the lower your alcohol level, the higher the residual sugar. So lower alcohol means sweeter wines. And then finally you can see what's called the AP number. And this AP number is a very complicated set of numbers which indicates the village where the wines were submitted for tasting, the producer's number, the order in which the wines were submitted for approval, and the year in which the wines were submitted. So lots of different information contained on the side or the back of the label, and even the front of the label gives you a really good indication of level of sugar at harvest, the village, the vineyard, the vintage, and the producer. In this case, J.J. Prum is actually giving you what looks like a little clock or a sundial. This bit of information tells you how sweet this wine is in relation to his other wines.